Hello, my dear viewers, and today we're going to have a look at a wonderful unit located in a great residency that's compact and brand new and is a wonderful opportunity for rent for a small family consisting of two people or two parents and one child near the ocean in a quiet and peaceful location in a new residency with a swimming pool and very, very budget friendly. Now, this residency is called La Terrace. It has two buildings here. They're not that big, they have 3 stories each. It was just recently finished, so everything here is brand new. It is located about 600 feet from the ocean. Very quiet and peaceful location. A lot of upscale people live here that are very quiet. They don't party a lot here. Most of them are French. Some people live here on a full-time basis. Other people rent out their units. So this bedroom comes with 1 bedroom and 1 big living room, kitchen and bathroom also, with all the furniture being brand new, big terrace, and also access to the inner court. And here we can see it for ourselves, the pool, the lawn chairs, all that stuff. So it's a very nice place to spend your holidays. Plus right there we have other residencies. So all in all, it's very nice and quiet here and also very beautiful. And also all your stores, all your restaurants and pharmacies are within 10 minutes of walking distance. So it's also in a very central location. So like I said, here I am on the terrace. We have a nice table here with a lot of space. The terrace is pretty spacious considering that your unit has only 1 bedroom. But that doesn't matter because everything fits here. Here we have a washing machine, place to hang out your wet clothing. Have a look at the spacious living room that you have in front of you with all the nice and brand new and modern interior decor. Here you can use the sofa as like a guest sleeping area or for your child or whoever you decide to put here. Here you have your television, a nice and very symmetrical kitchen. Everything that you need, a bar stool here, a kitchen island with the chairs. Everything's new, all your appliances, refrigerator, stove, sink. And like I said, the most important thing is it's all brand new. I just personally like it when everything's new. It feels nice. It feels like I'm the first person to own it. And to pay just a little extra money for something new, I think isn't a bad deal. Depending on what you're looking at, of course. Now, let's go have a look at the bedroom. Here we have a queen-sized bed, a closet, and a window. Everywhere here we have air conditioning and also an air fan. Also, I would like to add that this residency is located in the shade, so you really don't need to turn on any of the air conditioning or the air fans. It's naturally cool here. Like in my home with my family, we rarely turn on the air conditioning. The air fan is just fine and enough. Also, like the layout and planning of this unit, you can enter the bathroom from the bedroom right away, or you can access it from the living room area. It has 2 entrances. Bathroom here is pretty spacious, as you can see for yourself. You have a lot of room in here. Here we have the shower. Everything's brand new. Like I said, just recently it was finished being built and sold. And these units have a high turnover rate. A lot of people like them and a lot of people want to rent them out and buy them. Also, what's very important, I'd like to mention, you have a little window here that airs everything out, which is very important. I'd also like to point out that the plumbing job that was done here was pretty good. Also, the countertop right here with the sink is also very interesting how they did it. Here we also have a very big mirror. And right upon exiting the bathroom, here we are back in the living room. So it's a pretty compact apartment unit, but at the same time, it's also pretty cozy and nice. It's also very clean. And like I said several times already, it's new. And also it's located in a very nice location. So this is a very good opportunity for those of you that have a small family and like to get away somewhere, have a little vacation. You can rent it out on a short-term lease basis or long-term lease basis. Your long-term lease goes up to 6 months. The price, of course, varies, especially during the holidays. The price goes up during New Year's, and the Christmas and New Year holidays start on December the 22nd and end on the 2nd of January. And of course, the price for the per night stay here goes up a lot during those days. In the description below, I'll list you all the prices for a short-term lease and a long-term lease. So if you found this video helpful or interesting, please hit the like button, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time in my next videos. Goodbye.